I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the Greek ass Civic.
What's going on, y'all? This little section is something I'ma call Garage Talk. As you can see, the C10 is gone. Not the C10. Tripping. The Cadillac seats is gone. I gotta get that stuff cleaned up. Dude came. He actually messaged me like 8:30 or something, man. I thought he was bullshitting. He said he wanted it. I told him if he was about it, come get it. So he came and got it. They gone and out the way. I was out here tinkering around, thinking, man, just where we go from here, the future, and it's not always how fast we get there, but that we do get here. The journey sometimes is gonna be long. It's gonna be tedious. It's gonna be what's another word? It's gonna be stressful. It's plain and simple as that. The more that you know, the more knowledge that you gain, the better it'll be. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of great guys out there that'll tell you what you need to know. Some guys out there, they stingy with their information. Even though somebody gave it to them, they stingy with the information. But there's a lot of great guys out there that'll share the knowledge and let you know what it is that you need to know. You know what I'm saying? I actually had a conversation earlier today with Terry Guest on YouTube. Go check out his videos and his builds. And I was talking to Box Chevy Rider. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go check out his channel. A lot of his videos and information that he gave out was real helpful. And he constantly, you know what I'm saying, call, we talk, we message, you know what I'm saying, all the time, just about how to get to the finish line, man. Because at the end of the day, it shouldn't even be a competition. It's just a lot of us guys who love doing the same things. You know what I'm saying? Like, of all the channels and stuff I watch, like, I don't think anybody is like ASE certified mechanics, or it might be some of y'all that I recently started following that, do this for a living. But a lot of us, we just enthusiasts, you know what I'm saying, and trying to either save some money, or it's just something that we enjoy doing, or we was trying to save some money and then we ended up enjoying doing what we're doing, because it's nothing like creating something. Well, not necessarily creating it, or there's just a pride in just like, I did that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all can relate, versus like getting your hands dirty, doing something yourself, versus going and dishing out, hundreds and thousands of dollars to have somebody else do it. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But I know for sure these projects have been definitely learning experiences. It started out just, wanting to have a turnkey car, you know what I'm saying, not carbureted or whatever. But through the process, I've learned so much about engines and, how they operate and work and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, there's a lot of great information out there. Make sure you check out them guys' channels. It's a whole lot more. Gearhead for Life. I know that was one of the very first channels. I don't know where he at. If y'all hear from Gearhead for Life, tell him we miss him. Like I said, there's a lot of great guys out there giving a lot of great information, and just keep doing what you're doing, man. It takes time, it takes money. I think we probably would have been better off as crackheads, because being a crackhead might have been cheaper than this shit right here. So keep doing y'all thing, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make your strengths.